Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete background in the Photopea app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Photopea app on your home screen. Now open it. Now here you can find the option of remove background. Simply tap on it. Here you can find the option of plus button. Now tap on it. Then choose one photo that you want to remove the background of. Simply tap on it. Now here you can find the option of remove background. Now simply select it. Finally, you can see the background has been deleted from the image. And that's it. This is how you can delete the background from your image using the Photopea app. It is a very simple and easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.